How to block Google Calendar in Google Meet. First, open the Google Calendar. So you can block specific hours in Google Calendar where your calls will be automatically declined. Nobody will be able to join you in the meeting. In order to do that, tap on the plus icon that you can see on the screen. You'll have to use out of office feature. This feature will not be available for all the account types. You can see over here right now I do not have that option. But if you see the option for out of office, what you have to do is tap on it. After you do that, you'll be asked to select the date and time range. Go ahead and select the starting date, end date, starting time, end time. After you do that, tap on the option save in order to save that range. Now you'll be out of office in that particular date and time range. People will not be able to join you in the Google Meet calls. Like this, you'll be able to block Google Calendar in Google Meet. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.